You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation for more confusing names from the Jujutsu Kaisen manga series and more manga names. Make sure to stay tuned. We've got loads of names here that too many people get wrong, so you don't want to mess those. Japanese pronunciation: Suguru Geto. Suguru Geto. So in English, I propose it's easy once you know Suguru Geto, not Geto, Geto. Suguru Geto from Japanese. Suguru Geto. More names coming up. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.